The 2025 Range Rover Red Rush is the perfect blend of luxury, power, and cutting-edge technology. With its bold new design and stunning performance, this SUV redefines sophistication and capability. Standing in front of the Red Rush, the first thing that captures attention is its striking red exterior. The deep, metallic red paintwork gives it a commanding presence, enhanced by sleek, aerodynamic lines that flow seamlessly from front to rear. The signature grille, finished in gloss black, contrasts perfectly with the bold LED headlights, which feature advanced pixel technology for improved visibility. The 23-inch alloy wheels with black accents give the Red Rush a powerful stance, while the subtle red brake calipers add a touch of sportiness. The floating roof design and flush deployable door handles ensure a seamless, modern look. As we move to the rear, the sleek LED taillights span the width of the vehicle, creating a futuristic aesthetic. The sculpted tailgate features an integrated spoiler, enhancing aerodynamics while maintaining the signature Range Rover look. The quad exhaust tips hint at the performance hidden beneath the hood, giving a subtle nod to its powerful capabilities. Stepping inside the Red Rush is an experience in itself. The cabin is a masterpiece of craftsmanship and innovation. The interior is draped in the finest materials, including premium leather, sustainable wood, and aluminum trims. The red and black dual-tone leather seats are both heated and ventilated, offering supreme comfort in any climate. The 13.1-inch floating touchscreen infotainment system, running on Range Rover's latest Pivi Pro software, offers seamless connectivity and intuitive controls. The 12.3-inch digital driver's display provides real-time vehicle information with crystal-clear graphics. The Red Rush is designed for both driver and passengers to experience unparalleled luxury. The Meridian signature sound system immerses the cabin in high-fidelity audio, while ambient lighting with customizable colors creates the perfect atmosphere. Rear passengers enjoy executive-class seating with reclining, massage, and climate control features. The panoramic sunroof floods the cabin with natural light, enhancing the spacious feel. Under the hood, the 2025 Range Rover Red Rush is powered by a high-performance V8 engine, delivering an impressive 606 horsepower. The advanced all-wheel drive system, combined with adaptive air suspension, ensures a smooth yet dynamic ride, whether cruising on the highway or tackling off-road adventures. The SUV features terrain response too, allowing drivers to switch between driving modes for optimal performance in any condition. The Red Rush also comes packed with advanced safety and driver assist technologies, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system for effortless parking and maneuvering. The new AI-powered predictive navigation system learns your driving habits to optimize routes and efficiency. The 2025 Range Rover Red Rush is more than just a luxury SUV, it's a statement of style, innovation, and performance. Whether you're driving through the city streets or exploring rugged terrains, the Red Rush ensures you do so in absolute comfort and unmatched elegance. Stay tuned for more automotive content, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for updates on the latest car reviews.